Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log out of a Google account in an Android device. So you use an Android device, you've logged in a lot of Google accounts in that Android device, it's getting clogged up, it's getting messy, it's getting difficult for you to manage all your Google accounts and emails, and now you want to log out of few of those Google accounts but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log out of a Google account in an Android device in a very easy way. So the first thing you want to do in order to log out of a Google account in an Android device is open the settings of your Android device. Once you open the settings, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here in your settings, what you want to do is find the accounts option like this, then open the accounts option. Once you open the accounts option, you'll see all the accounts that you have logged in to your Android device. Like I have a lot of Gmail account logged in, I have few of Facebook account logged in, I have an Adobe account logged in, I have an OneDrive account logged in. I can see all the accounts that I've logged into this Android device. Now to log out from your Google account in your Android device, what you want to do is select the Google account that you want to log out from. So I'll select this account. Then once you open this account, you will see an interface like this. Here you will have an option labeled as remove account. So to log out of your Google account from your Android device, you need to tap on remove account. Once you tap on remove account, a pop-up warning like this will open. Here give the confirmation to your Android device to remove account by tapping on the remove account option. Once you do that, you'll successfully sign out or remove the Google account from your Android device. So that was a simple step in order to log out of a Google account in an Android device. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.